Okay, this is a bit of fun. Now, this was written by iServalan, myself, for Immersion, but this was, the recording wasn't very good, so you guys can have it to use on your ringtones. It's called The Death Page, Strata 13, and which I haven't published yet. It's been written, but it hasn't been published. We're on chapter 5, actually, which is coming out tomorrow. So, yeah, enjoy it. Do what you want with it, really. It's a pretty poor recording, but it's quite interesting.
Is God a convenience to smooth our way through the passage of death? You made a decision about the fate of others. Does this make you a god or a fool? You have more control than you know. You must deal your hand, a blunt end to a man's hopes and dreams. No lovers, no pleasures, only a cycle cut short in its prime.
You are the master of your own fate. You have only yourself to blame.